Honor has announced that the Magic 8 Pro Air will be launched in China on January 19th. It looks like a mix between the iPhone Air and the Pixel 7 Pro. Magic 8 Pro Air available in black, white, purple and orange. The company positions the device as a balance between premium performance and a slim form factor. The Magic 8 Pro Air measures just 6.3 mm in thickness and weighs around 158 grams. Honor Magic 8 Pro Air will feature a 6.3-inch flat OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. Powering the phone could be the Dimensity 9500 chipset with storage variants such as 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The main cam is expected to be a 50MP shooter with a 1/1.3-inch sensor just like the Magic 8 Pro. The device will feature a 5500 mAh battery with silicon carbon anode tech and 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.